Hi guys, today I am going to tell you 5 different points for cleaning and maintaining the home vacuum cleaner. Model is N30 Ecovacs Deebot. So the point number 1 is how to clean its dust collector. You have to press this, lift it up, and then we can see dust is collected here. We have to just put this inside the dustbin. The point number 2 is about how to clean its mopping pad. So it has a mopping pad here. We just have to pull this out, and then we have to take this out, slide it, and clean it under running tap water. Once it is sun dried, fix it back whenever you want to do the mopping again.
Switch to backflow mode. Switch to back mode.
Third one is its brush.
Install the cleaning module before use.
So there is a brush here. We can use it using a cleaning brush like this, or we can also use some dry cloth to clean this. And we also have to clean this interiors. Okay, so I'm not cleaning it in detail, I just want to show you how it is done so that you can clean it whenever you have used it for a couple of days. Okay, the fourth one is the sensors that it uses for the mapping or to navigate through the room. So it has sensors here. So, yeah, it also has sensors on the side, and it also has sensors at the bottom. Yeah, here. So we have to clean this with a dry cloth regularly so that it can read your room and the objects clearly. And after that, the fifth point is how to refill the water. So there is a button here, you have to push it, slide it out, remove this rubber,
install the cleaning module before use.
and we can take drinking water and pour it here, and then close this, slide it till you hear the lock sound. So this is all about it. Please do this regularly on your Deebot for its better performance and for it to function in a more efficient way. And for more such videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.